Hello all, my name is Anu. I'm here with another video of plants, regarding plants. So today we are going to talk about a very beautiful, a very magical plant. It's called as money tree. Now, saying the name money tree, you must be wondering what it could be. You might have heard of money plant. Now this is money tree. It is also called as Pachira aquatica. As the name suggests, people believe that it will bring a lot of money flow to your house. I'm not quite sure about that, but I love to see this plant. Its leaves are so beautiful. I'll show you right now. You might have seen this in many places. So this is a very beautiful plant. Now it has the tag in it, and I never remove the tag because it has all the information how to take care of the plants, just in case I get confused. So I always keep them intact. So this is the beautiful tree I was mentioning. As you can see, it has got very beautiful white leaves. The care for this plant is it needs very little water. It doesn't need too much. Once what happened is, like, I had this tree before and I killed it because I poured a lot of water and then it got collected in the saucer and it got rotten, the roots got rotten. So what I've done now is I use this kind of pot, and I have kept a plastic lid on top with a lot of pores, and I've kept the pebbles, you can see that, okay, and I can keep this plant safely on top. So no matter how much water I pour on, it will get collected down below, and also it can suck the moisture from down, and it can always keep the roots dry. So I think that it is from South America, so it needs apparently tropical climate. I have kept it beside my heater. So far so good. It's doing really well. No problem at all so far. And so the basic rule is not too much of water. And regarding the fertilizer, I have used slow releasing fertilizer, so it won't get activated too quickly. It releases the nutrition for the plant very slowly. Now regarding the light, I kept it in one of the corners of the room, and the light is very less, but still it is doing very well. Right, so that's with the light and water, and we dealt with the fertilizer. So the growth of the plant is very quick actually, so you have to trim it and keep it in shape, otherwise it can grow really tall. And also I haven't done the repotting yet. Now probably if I put it in a bigger pot, it can grow very quick. So that's another thing. And so far so good. I'm completely satisfied with this plant. Most of the ladies, they have the issue that they can't have house plants at home because they go for work and they have a busy schedule. They don't get time to water the plants. So I would suggest do some techniques like this, where and have plants like this, where they need less care of use, and then still they can be like growing really good. I have introduced one more plant, snake plant, so you do go to that link. I'll give the link down below in the description box. Do watch that, and that is a beautiful plant to have, and this is also a less caring plant. Do have it at home. So that's all. If you have any other queries, please do comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. I have more in stock for you, so keep watching and stay tuned. Till we meet again, bye.